Dictation will start in 5 seconds.
Ready? Start. Sir, agriculture is neglected as against the industrial sector. If we say about investment, about encouragement given to the industry and the agriculture, and a comparison between them will show that agriculture is being discriminated as against industry. Amongst agriculture itself, in the irrigated area and non-irrigated area, there is a vast difference. All benefits like fertilizers, subsidy and cooperative credit, all these benefits which are supposed to be given to the agriculturists are supplied to the irrigated sector, and the agriculturists there alone get those benefits. In non-irrigated area where the agriculture is rain-fed or where it is all dry land farming, they are not properly treated. They are not being properly looked after. The government is totally negligent so far as that sector is concerned. So far as the drought prone areas are concerned, in our countries there are areas where there is drought repeatedly. In some states they had drought once, twice or even continuously for some years, and now in Maharashtra, Karnataka and in some other parts of the country there has been drought repeatedly, no once or twice but continuously every year. But the government has not done anything what it should have done there. The government of Maharashtra has asked for rupees 150 crores. So far as the drinking water is concerned, assistance to the agriculturists is very meager and they are suffering because their crops have been lost. And the government has hardly given rupees 25 crores or rupees 30 crores, and because of this insufficient assistance, the work which has to be done to meet the scarcity condition in Maharashtra is not being done properly. I would urge upon the government that this should be looked into and permanent measures to remove these conditions in those drought prone areas should be taken. How those problems can be solved, how a particular investment has to be made, all these have to be looked into. Certain allocation has to be made because in those drought prone areas the allocation has to be made because in those drought prone areas the allocations are very, very scarce. This is not fair. Unemployment problem has been discussed at length here, so I will not say much about it. But the Honorable Prime Minister has said in this budget speech that computerization is going to help reduce unemployment. I myself do not understand this argument. I have discussed this matter with many of our friends. Stop.